Hi, this is Drew Wilkins with your morning report. Grain markets finished up higher yesterday with wheat leading the way. Strong exports, expected demand continues to support the wheat market, and then of course any short covering, as the trade is net short wheat, is going to help the wheat market rally as well. As we head into the morning, they're all currently lower. A couple things to go over today. Landworth released their updated crop forecast yesterday. They left wheat production unchanged. They raised corn production, and then they lowered soybean production. They barely lowered soybean production, but they increased their corn production by around 2%. Yields, if you want to see the yields and specifics of it, log on to grainanalyst.com. It's got all the specifics in there, rundown, that you can take a look at. And again, that's the Landworth crop production updates for this year. We also had export sales this morning. Wheat met expectations, and corn and soybeans exceeded expectations, both coming in at over 1 million metric tons sold for the previous week. So export sales were seen as positive for corn and soybeans, neutral for wheat. Weather remains positive for crop production. Moving forward, that's going to be the main thing that the market trades. Even though export sales were good, most of the sales were for the 2013-14 crop year. It wasn't the crop year that we're currently in that we're real tight on. It's the next crop year we're expected to have good production. So while it is bullish, we'll see how bullish the market takes it as. So with that said, weather remains supportive for crop development. Those will be the things to keep your eye on moving forward. That's all we got for today, so have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.